Well, Trentham with the family today. Parked next to a lovely Capri Sport. Right at the back on the hillside. Thousands of cars here today. I'll tell you why. £4 to get in with as many people as you can cram in your car. No rain, well, no sun. Well, that's okay. I'll take you around and have a little look, see if there's any highlights to the show. So there isn't any particular sections of cars here really. Often you get like 70s and 80s and divisional independent exhibitors, but this is just a free-for-all, which is great. £4 in. There's your Capri next to a Lotus, Metro, Mark III Escort. Laser Capri, Chevette. Goes back for miles. It'll take us a while to get around this show. Getting quite busy now. A lot of auto jumble to have a little look round. Nice to Capri Mark 1. As the lake in the foreground. Still quite early in the morning. Something for everyone here. We've got a random collection of Fords. I do like the Mark III Escort. I used to have one of these. From the 80s, on an old L model as well, which is nice to see, isn't it? Cosworth, where that flies. We're all mix here. Mark 1 Cortina. Immaculate. '80s XR3i, very popular. Some nice cars. Sierra P100. Practical. What do I think? What next? We try the grannies over there. Running repairs for the granny. Looks like fresh paint on this 1.6 Capri LS. Beautiful. Really nice. Granada estate. Nice and blinged. What will that be? 82? Automatic. Too big for my garage. One more Mark II Granadas. And then a little Fiesta in the middle. A little bit modified. '82 again. And then finally 2.8 injection Capri. Sexy number. And there's me thinking I was going to be the only brown Mark III Cortina. Yet another one. 2000 GXL. 1971. Looks very tidy. No one saved the base models though, did they? Everyone saved the GXLs. I bet that flies down the motorway. Row Beetles. Not quite sure how that one gets over the speed humps, but very cool cars. Couple of Brooklands 280s, matching pair.
Thank you.
Worth a fortune now, aren't they, these?
I'm going to move along now and see 70s with this one. Wonderful outfit. Go by the name of the old years.
Always like the campers. That one looks like it's been to the ends of the earth and back. Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Ford Cortina,
Right then, folks,
1983.
I'm going to take it down now. To the other end of the
Crusader.
scale.
That's in really nice
We're
condition.
going to go a little bit lower with this lot. A song that was done by a legend from the Philadelphia stable. Fantastic voice on this guy. He went by the name of Lou Rawls. And this is a song called
1.6.
You'll Never Find Another One Like Mine.
Next to 2-litre Capri Sport in black, very nice. This is our random purchase of the day. Where else are you going to find a set of replacement keys for your car for £2? Thermostat 50p, you can't go wrong. Back into the cars. A lot of American stuff here. Not really my thing unless it's maybe a Mustang. Cute little 500L. MGs. Into the Saabs. Unfortunately, being drowned out by the music. Mark Rogers. Mint GT, known in the Cortina circles. Looks very nice, always attracts a lot of attention. This is also Mark's here. Ricaros. B6. Lotus Cortina. And a Mark 1 Escort. Tell you what, there's some money on this show field. Just been talking to Ken, who owns this Prefect 107E. Gotta say, Ken, that is an immaculate car. Side valve owners club. And his mate here with the 100E Prefect. Well, crowds are slowly dying down. About 2 o'clock. Quite a lot of attention on the car. Like I say, something to turn up in. When was the last time you saw a Nova this tidy? Mark 3 Escort, nice to see. 1.3L B Reg. Rover 414, looking a bit bruised. So where would you see, I think it's a Mark 1 Mondeo. When was the last time you saw one of those? Absolutely immaculate. Two-litre 16 valve. Nice. Mark 2 Escort. Bling bling. Escort Mexico. Flyer that. The weird and the wonderful. Interesting mix. Let me know what that car is if anyone knows. We'll finish off with a little picture of the lake. Looking Fantastic.